Hi everyone, Francesca Ginan, and we are here for Shokugeki no Soma Food Wars, the third season, the OVA of the third season. Before we just finished the first part of the third season, the finale, with Erina discovering a really big thing since the beginning of the series, which is Soma is the son of Joichiro. And before we get to see what she's gonna do with this, which I'm really excited and curious to see how she's gonna comport herself towards Soma specifically. We had this OVA, so I don't know what to expect from this. Some OVAs are really great in level of together with the best episodes, just like the one with the Elite 10 showing for the first time, and some others are weak, I would say, in the level of the most weak episodes of the series. Not that are bad, it's just like they're weak, just like the first one with Aldini. But I don't know what to expect from this. It's the only OVA of this season and it's the last OVA of the whole franchise. After this one, we're just gonna go to the rest of the season and the fourth season and the fifth season, and it's over. We did not have anything extra to do with Food Wars. So let's just go and see what's gonna happen in this. Okay, we have a recap with, of course, cameraman. They always using Marui's room to do stuff. Oh, Soma, you still up with this? Ah, Irina, completely different environment that she was raised. Sorry for the noise. People don't really care about this here, apparently. Irina at the Polar Star Dormitory, okay? We are the Polar Star Dormitory. We strike fear in the hearts of men. Okay. Oh, Irina is not minding also that she's being called Irina Chi anymore. Like that. Oh, Irina. Oh, the comeback. Irina find a strange technology. Wow, poor Irina. I don't think. Yeah, yeah, she's not gonna ask help, especially for Yukihira. Ah, poor. Oh, Megumi. Thank God, she gonna help. I suppose I could. It's not because I don't know how to do it. I mean, yeah, I guess. Uh, Oh, poor Kurokiba. He really think that Kurokiba and Alice, they really think that Azami don't know. Okay. She's a. Wait, what? What the... My face is just like Megumi. What the hell is she's doing? Come, these people. You're making Megumi. She passed out. Poor Megumi. And what the hell is this outfit? It's kind of ninja outfit or something. And I never knew that uh, Secretary Chen is also Ninja Chen. I mean, of course, Hisaku would help. She would not let Erina do stuff without that. Did not know what a vacuum cleaner is. Uh, yeah, I mean, true. Yeah, you could say that. So serious about. Ah, poor Erina. Yeah, no. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is really scary. Her eyes shining. Oh, we have just a button to. Uh, oh, see? Oh my gosh. Yep. Yeah, it's not that easy anymore. We completely forgot about the animals. Yeah, I mean, she had to hang in there. Oh my gosh. She inside the Benedict. I mean, that happens all the time. Wait, what? Huh? Yeah. What? Okay. That was a. I did not knew that this knowledge. Okay, I like that. I like the place. Wait, blonde? It is. Aldini. His name. Amazing. Oh, again with the cover up. Yes, you remember that. How Alice make fun of her. Good cut. Really good cut. So we have another episode with uh, the girls and I guess the boys as well and naked. Okay. Okay, I guess she's excited about that. Erina, okay, this is advanced. Everything's advanced for her. Erina, and this part. And some really, what the hell you're doing with Kurokeba? What the hell? Ali- Alice really like comport herself just a little. Oh, Yuki. Yeah, this is not. Oh my gosh. She is really obsessed with this. And of course, who appears? Rindo. Star, and she's just joking with them. Or she really don't know if Azami knows that. Yeah, not surprising at all to learn that. Poor Nakiri, Nakiri gonna pass down immediately. I don't think even Alice would have much of a chance, but Erina have no chance at all. Like, I don't think any of the girls had much of a chance against Rina in this contest. Wow, that's a new information. Reno just appreciation the vision. Appreciating the vision. She's already red. You can clearly see Irina has no chance at all. Like, see, she's just breathing. She's gonna, yeah, she already passed out. I mean, we knew that she would. She's just joking with them. Alice. Huh. Again, don't know if she really knows about that. Bucci. Yeah, that's the name. What is with this scene? Oh my gosh, they really are so together like kids. Other perfection. And of course Soma is the only one like going okay by that. Okay. Special issue. Oh, a long time since we did not see this guy. I can get married now. Poor Megumi. Uh, wait, what? Oh my god, she's so creepy. For she just have yeah, that's what you gain for that. So that was the OVA, the final OVA of Food Wars, and was basically Erina episode with her battling against cleaning, uh, against a washing machine, and yeah, it was funny. It is not the best OVA, but it's certainly not the worst. So yeah, it was also really cool to see her interacting with Soma her before the big reveal, which we're gonna see in the next episode, the first episode of the second part of the third season. Uh, so yeah, it was really interesting seeing her relationship with all the characters, and she trying to do normal stuff. And oh, Erina, I really wonder how much she gonna change, not only with this big revelation, but after this period that she is living with everyone in Polar Star. She's sure gonna be a whole different person. I hope for the better. I think it is for the better. So, yeah, I don't think I have much thing to say about this episode. Not much outside that happened. So, yeah, I see you guys in the next episode.